Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty, and I know you all love making cheesesteaks on the Blackstone. I live right outside of Philadelphia, so I am very familiar with the cheesesteak. The Blackstone makes them so easy, but I'm showing you today how I make a barbecue chicken bacon cheesesteak. Now before we get into this recipe, be sure to go to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, click that little bell, and that way you stay up to date on all of our fun recipes that we are throwing out there for you guys to enjoy on your Blackstone. Start this recipe, it's super easy. Just grab some chicken breast or thighs or tenders, any part of that chicken that you want, and dice it up into small pieces. Do the same with bacon. I just like to chop these all up, and sometimes I even do this a few days ahead. That way it makes for a quick, easy go-to dinner during the week. So I'm just gonna throw down my bacon onto the Blackstone that I have set to medium heat, and then when that is cooked halfway through, I'm gonna throw down my chicken to cook in that beautiful bacon grease, which is gonna add a lot of flavor to our chicken. Now I'm gonna season this chicken and bacon with the Blackstone all-purpose seasoning that I love so much. It really adds such a good kick of flavor. Toss this all together. Now we're just gonna add our favorite Duke's barbecue sauce, or your favorite barbecue sauce. I really like this Duke's Moonshine barbecue sauce. I think the flavor is amazing. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this barbecue sauce over my chicken and bacon, give that a good toss so that each piece of that chicken and bacon gets some nice flavor into it. And then I'm going to add some white cheddar cheese that I hand grated. I really think it's important to grate your own cheese, because this way you're not getting any of those additives that are in the pre-shredded bags, which are great for a go-to, but I really love hand shredding cheese and keeping it in the fridge. So I'm just gonna portion out my chicken into individual sandwiches, line them up. This way I can go over them with my freshly grated white sharp cheddar cheese, and then to that, when that starts melting, I'm gonna add a little extra barbecue sauce, give that a nice toss, and then I'm gonna get these ready for my rolls. So my meat is all nice and lined up. I'm gonna stick my nice chewy soft Italian roll right on top of that meat. Let those just hang out for about a minute. That way the bottom gets nice and caramelized and my rolls get nice and warm. Slide my spatula under those sandwiches using my other hand to help flip, and these are ready to go. These are perfect and ready to go, looking beautiful. Or give them a little extra love with some crunchy red onion, some french fried onions. You could do jalapeno. Get crazy with your toppings. Either way, make these, enjoy them. They're gonna be a hit with your family and friends, and they will become one of your go-to weekly dinners like they are here. I love anything that's super fast and easy, and these, like I said, I prep days ahead. Keep the chicken and the bacon in little freezer bags or containers in the fridge. You can't beat something like this, especially on these cold winter nights that are coming up. So go make them, tag Blackstone Betty, and be sure you go to the YouTube channel and click the subscribe button, click the little bell, and then share it with all your friends. Let all your friends see how much they need to be cooking on a Blackstone, because doesn't the whole world need to be cooking on a Blackstone? Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.